Hello guys, welcome to another video of mine. I finally succeeded in attaching all the blades, including the tail rotor here, which came as one whole piece, onto this Mi-24V model. And I thought this was impossible last night, as last night I had given up on trying to attach these very blades because they had such poor fit. However, I had just spent 1 hour with the help of some basic home tools like this small screwdriver, some attempt at sanding, some straight pins, and some sewing scissors, and I have finally succeeded in attaching all the blades. It's not perfect, like the tail rotor here doesn't go all the way in, but it is tight enough for me to be satisfied, as I do not want to risk breaking the pin. As long as it looks convincing enough for me, it is okay. Look at that. And now she's displayed with her full complement of blades, and she looks astonishing, easily the best looking aircraft model that I own. She bears the markings of the Iraqi Army Aviation. And she's carrying 4 rocket pods on its inner weapon pylons, plus some Igla air-to-air missiles on its outermost weapon pylons. Even the chin 12.7mm gun rotates as it does in real life. You can also see the pitot tube, which looks like a very fragile looking toothpick from this angle. While I'm very happy with my purchase, I didn't think this was possible. I thought it was going to be impossible attaching those blades. Well, I guess I was wrong. And look at that. She looks fantastic. Alright, that's all I wanted to share with you. Thank you for listening.